Guillaume. Ay, hindi ka in. Hindi mo alam yung Guillaume.
Fine.
Pero may kawig nga siyang volleyball player, hindi ko lang
Ako din
ma-place.
eh.
Meron. Janice Abar of Perpetual. Yun ang pinakahawig niya sa laban. Marami kang may isip eh. Pero mas hawig ni Janice Abar of Perpetual. Nakikita natin yan soon.
Okay.
16-5. Nakaputos dito ang Letran. Serving, Lopez, yeah.
Yeah, well, so far ito dito sa second set, no? Attack numbers in terms of attack, 6 already for Ateneo, just 1 for Letran.
Right.
Medyo malayo-layo na rin yun.
Well, another point here para sa kupunan ng Letran. Ito na naman, nagre-relax ba ang Ateneo? Yan ang katanungan dito. Dakis did her best pero ang ganda ng abang sa kanya doon ni Patchari Sangmuang.
But you have to understand, you know, Sangmuang is Sangmuang. She's a Thai import, so...
Hindi lang, dating kapitan ng national team. Yung pang maganda doon.
Oo.
Mondehar, captain. Captain naman siya ulit ngayon dito, Sangmuang. Dakis! Mondehar, Sangmuang, bawi! Napalakas. Pero, natapik daw ni Ferrer yung bola.
So again, you know, it's a 2-digit lead, pero itong Letran, just playing their game, Ateneo, error na naman, lapsing into errors.
Well, Melissa Koo, Lazaro, Ferrer, Dakis, hindi tumama sa linya. So 16-8. Mas maaga ang pagsisimula ng paghahabol ngayon itong kupunan na Letran. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Melissa Koo, maganda ang pinapakita from the service line. Another nice one. Attacking is Ferrer. Nice dig by Espelita. Kept alive. Melissa Koo. Tajima. Mondehar going to Sangmuang. Trying to push it over Tajima. Lazaro puts it across. And the libero scores.
That's right, but miscue there for Letran. There's 3 players actually trying to, you know, receive yung bola, but wala. Kung tatlo kayo, nakaluhod kayo pareho.
Minsan ka lang makakita ng libero na nakaka-score sa laro. At nagawa yun dito ni Lazaro. Bad reception once again para sa Letran. Mondiar gives up a free ball. Combination now for Phil Kainglet. Ferrer, Kainglet, second ball, pumalo na. And Melissa Koo cannot track it down. So Phil Kainglet giving Ateneo another double-digit spread.
Very heads-up play by Kainglet, no? It did not, she did not wait for the third touch. Set again ni Ferrer, ready siya to hit.
Ay, wala pang defender daw eh. Tirahin na niya. Remote control serve. Ay, ganda naman talaga eh. Oh. Mondehar, across, Sangmuang, tapos ang remote control serve.
Well, Sangmuang, no, realized in front of her, Ferrer. Dun, magda-down the line ako.
Eto ngayon, from small to smaller. Ang nangyari sa Ateneo pagdating sa setter as Giselle Tan checks in once again. 18-9 Ateneo.
But we were talking about the zones earlier.
Right. Kwento mo.
Okay, so the service area normally nung start, it's in the facing the net. It's to the right. Diba?
Dati. May kahon pa nun dati.
May kahon pa nun dati. But yun, step forward, that's already zone 1.
Yes.
You move forward to the net, that's zone 2.
Right.
Yung sa middle, that's zone 3. So parang pa counterclockwise tayo. Zone 4 is where De Jesus is right now.
Right.
Speaking, if you look at the Ateneo, Lazaro is in zone 5 and Dakis is in zone 6. So, nagka-counterclockwise ka, facing the net.
Ito ngayon ang service. Galing naman dito kay Giselle Tan. Espelita, denied by Tajima.
Well, now, yung blockers of Ateneo, mas malaki na. So, you had Tajima and
Dakis. Kanina si Dakis sa harapan din eh. So, ngayon si Giselle Tan. Opo, college po yan. Mondehar. Across. Espelita. Dakis keeping it alive. Giselle Tan. The elevator, Ella De Jesus. Sangmuang. Tan. Back set. Jairel Yaneta. Nahilo.
Actually, no.
Di ba nakakahilo naman yun? Nakita mo yung bola sa harapan mo, mamaya sa likod mo na.
Tsaka mahirap nun, she was really under the ball eh. So medyo nawala siya. Parang turn around, couldn't see.
Jamaica Villas now serving. 20-10. Ella. Mondejar. Sangmuang. Hindi na nabuoy. Natamaan nga ni Lazaro actually yung bola.
And of course, Sangmuang again scoring para tong sa Letran.
Puyat yan. Puyat si Lazaro. Mga kasama ko kagabi. Si Lazaro, si Eliza Valdez, si Mika Reyes, saka si Abby Maraño. Gabi na umuwi lahat yan. Oh, what a serve!
It goes to show these athletes talagang working hard also.
Hindi, mahirap doon kay Eliza. Gabi na nga kami umuwi kagabi. May klase pa siya maaga the next day. So, that's why probably Eliza's not on the floor right now para sa Ateneo. Konting pahinga naman.
Oh, but it's a good problem.
Right. Villas. Tan. Ganda na shoot across niya dito kay Ella De Jesus. That was a great set galing dito kay Giselle Tan.
That's right. And an equally great off-speed
Oo.
hit.
Kasi sinasabi natin yung buhay ng isang volleyball team nasa kanilang setter. And Ateneo for 5 years had one of the best setters in Jem Ferrer. Pero this coming UAP, wala na nga si Jem Ferrer. So, tama sinasabi mo kanina, Giselle Tan, kailangan maintindihan na niya kung anong mangyayari. Ang liit ng dinaanan ng bola.
Oh.
Nagtira doon ni Sangmuang sa harapan ni Dakis.
Pero I was look at Dakis, hindi naman siya nag-contest. So.
Nagulat din si Dakis. Uy, nakadaan pa rin.
Kasi lapit, you're right, diba?
Oo.
Lapit na niya sa linya.
Sangmuang, Dakis, Tan, combination, Ella. Nice save by Espelita or by Mondejar. Another great set. Another great result for Ateneo. Ay, mukhang ibababod na ni Roger Gorayev ito si Giselle Tan kung ganito kaganda nilalaro niya.
Exactly. Tsaka talagang it's her time to get experience
Right.
para sa Ateneo.
22-13. Jaira Llaneta. Mondejar, up. Naubusan ng brake fluid, nabangga ang bangketa sa kakaatras ni Mondejar.
But again, no, yung problema talaga ng Letran here so far in today's match, yung reception nila.
Llaneta once again. 23-13 Ateneo. Melissa Koo.
Bright spot para
Siya
sa
lang
Letran.
talaga. I have to believe that Melissa Koo is other than Sangmuang, is the other option. Sarah Jane Espelita. Llaneta. Tan. Dakis, kaliwa. Ganda ng preno ni Dakis doon. And across now from Tadeo. And another drop shot for Ateneo.
You know, to si Tejada, very, very mahinhin talaga pumalo. Pero in terms of her attack percentage, yung success na 80%. So you have 80%, you're 80% sure that pag tinamaan na yung bola, point yan for Ateneo.
I would think Roger Gorayev would actually insert a lot of his reserves coming into the next set. Meron pa siya dyan, si Amy Ahomiro is the only one who has not seen action para sa kupunan ng Ateneo. Pero si Dakis kailangan nandiyan pa rin.
Oo. Pero yun, kung ako si Valdez, I would want to play. Nandito na ako eh.
Dakis, good reception. Tan, back row attack from Ella De Jesus. Mondejar. Melissa Koo. Nice save there from Giselle Tan. Dakis. And Dakis goes long.
Well, that's not yung set na gusto ni Dakis. So far si Dakis is yung set na nakuha niya medyo malayo sa net
Right.
So medyo pigil yung follow through.
So still 8 set points for Ateneo. Served by Ogana. Giselle Tan. Dakis. And that will do it. Ateneo breezing through set number 2 just as they did in set number 1, 25-16. Ang ating final score sa ating set number 2. Abangan na